AWS Elastic Beanstalk failed to install Python package using Requirements.Txt Git Pip. I tried to deploy a Flask app on AWS Elastic Beanstalk using ebdeploy but failed. I have the Requirements.Txt under the app directory and python.config file under .eb extensions directory. The error messages. Info, environment update is starting.info, deploying new version to instance, error, your requirements.txt is invalid. Snapshot your logs for details.error, instance, I03E92FA3C58B6E010, command failed on instance. Return code, 1 output, truncated. File a breaktime equals 1s line 541 in check_cal raise calid process error, ret code, cmd, calid process error, command breaktime equals 1s install r breaktime equals 1s.txt, returned non-zero exit status 2. Hook, breaktime equals 1s I failed. For more detail, check /var/log/ebactivity.log using console or ebcli.info, command execution completed on all instances. Summary, successful, 0, failed, 1, hit error, unsuccessful command execution on instance IDs I03E92FA3C58B6E010. Aborting the operation.error, failed to deploy application. And /var/log/ebactivity.log shows. File a breaktime equals 1s line 541 in check_cal raise calid process error, ret code, cmd, calid process error, command breaktime equals 1s install r breaktime equals 1s/ts.txt, returned non-zero exit status 2, executor non-zero exit status. It seems like this issue is because of the Git Plus installation is not supported by AWS Elastic Beanstalk.
The problem has been resolved. It was not because of installation of PyD. The actual reason was that installation of SciPy requires is greater than 40 MB memory and the default EC2 instance, t1.micro, doesn't have enough memory to install it. It can be resolved by using a larger EC2 instance. I eventually go with t2.medium. Also, to install pandas, it requires GCC. I modified .eb extensions /env_name.config file with this. I'm using Python 2.7 from Elastic Beanstalk GCC and Python Devil installation.
You can try an alternate way of adding PyD to requirements.
This helped me. I was able to fix this by adding enum34 equals 1.1.8 to pyproject.toml. Apparently enum34 had a feature in version 1.1.8 that avoided this error, but this regressed in v1.1.9+. This is just a workaround though. The better solution would be for packages to use environment markers so you don't have to install enum34 at all unless needed. Source: this URL. I created a file called 02_upgrade_pip. Config in the .eb extensions folder to upgrade pip and install that specific version of enum34 every time a new instance is launched. 02_upgrade_pip.config.